Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about a very useful feature in TradingView, the sharing option. Suppose you've created a strategy that you want to discuss with a friend, a mentor, or even a developer to get it coded. Or maybe your strategy is giving some errors and you want help fixing them. Here's a simple and effective way to do it. Use TradingView's drawing tools to mark important points on the chart, like where you want an entry or where you believe an error is happening. Now, instead of just sending screenshots, you can use TradingView's sharing option to share your entire chart layout. Once you copy the link and send it, the other person can open it directly in their browser. Here's what they'll see: the chart in view-only mode, all your timeframes, indicators, and symbols, every drawing tool you've used on the chart, and even the data window linked to that layout. They can also choose to make a copy of the layout for themselves. Now, let's talk about syncing changes. If you, the person sharing the link, make any changes on the chart, those updates will automatically sync for the viewer as long as the sharing option remains active. However, if you turn off sharing or make major edits, you'll need to enable sharing again and send the updated link. Only then will the other person see the new version of your chart. So whether it's for discussing strategies, fixing errors, or simply collaborating, the TradingView sharing option makes the whole process faster, easier, and more professional.